Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy updo on short, fine hair. To start, I'm going to curl the hair using my straighteners. This doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm taking thin sections and just rotating the curling iron around a little bit. Make sure that you change the direction of your curl every time that you take a new section. Once you've got everything curled, apply texture spray all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And now I'm just going to take all the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear on both sides and clip this out of the way. And for a little bit more volume, I'm just adding some texture powder along the roots at the crown. Again, I'll pop it in the description below. Now take hold of that crown section of hair, and I'm just going to pop this into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the hair for some more messy volume. Next, clip that ponytail out of the way for now, and we're going to divide another section of hair from the top of the ears all the way across and secure it into another small ponytail. Clip this ponytail out of the way as well and do one more ponytail on that bottom section. Apply some more texture spray to that bottom ponytail and gently tease for a bit more volume. Then I'm going to wrap another elastic band round, but only bring the ends part way through so you create a loop. Pinch and pull and then just pin it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Release that middle ponytail down, and again we're going to apply some more texture spray. And then just taking random sections, I'm just grabbing them, popping a bobby pin on the end, giving them a twist and just securing it to the head. The messier you can get this, the better it looks. Now we're going to do the same steps on that top ponytail. So again, add your texture spray, take random sections, add your bobby pin and just secure them to the head. Now release those front sections down and leave a little bit of hair to frame the face. Then I'm going to take the top section of hair, twist it towards the head and secure it at the side of that messy bun. And I'm basically going to do this 3 times with the hair that's left hanging down. So take your last section, twist it towards the head and pin it into the side of the bun. And with all the tail ends that are left out, I just slip a bobby pin on the end and then I rotate it to create a small loop and then just pop it into the bun. Pinch and pull so it matches the texture of the rest of the hairstyle. And then we're simply going to do the same pinning method on the left hand side. Don't forget to pop the bobby pin on the end of your tail ends, give it a twist and pop it into the bun. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.